Women don't owe you shit. They don't, they don't. And you could call me that bitch. You can call me that. You're at the bottom. I'm high like matriarch. You're hot and bothered when I don't give a fuck. No explanation. No, I don't have to talk. I don't like you that much, so I'm cutting you off. I don't know your text back, not even a Snapchat, or even just a sign that tells you how you could tell that. I don't know your phone call, I don't know your thing more. You're asking too much. Oh, women don't owe you shit. And you could call me that bitch. I don't know your pretty face, kind of disgrace. You don't deserve a bit of that shit. Women don't owe you shit. Intimidated? Are you uncomfortable? That's on you, baby. Yeah, that is what my body's for. No more excuses. You can't control yourself. Damn, I choose what I flaunt. Where the fuck what I want. I don't know your text back, not even a Snapchat, or even just a sign that tells you how you could tell that. I don't know your phone call, I don't know your thing more. You're asking too much. Oh, women don't owe you shit. And you could call me that bitch. Yeah. I don't know your pretty face, kind of disgrace. You don't deserve a bit of that shit. Women don't owe you pretty nice sugar spice, sexy jelly on the side. I'ma slap you if you grab it. You ain't gonna take a slice. When I drop you at the bottom, you don't get a kiss goodbye. Cause I'm off you, baby. Yeah, you talk shit shady. If you step out, I'ma put you in your place. I'ma fuck you up and leave you in the brace. Hey, you deserve it a little bit. You asking too much, and women don't owe you shit. No, they don't.